We got motion, we get money. It's your boy WG. Back with my reaction video. We got crazy Dallas shooting right here. Ram truck, stolen truck. We're gonna see what happens. So, I think a cop cruiser got stolen.
I said falling behind him, Tyler. He can't hit the go in reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him
In a little complex.
Keep on coming. Keep on going.
How do you even get your hands on a police cruiser? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life? What are you getting out of that? Oh! Damn! He ran straight up in him and he jumped out. Hop out game. They don't know which one to drive up. Oh, they start blicking. You gotta extend the clip on that motherfucker. These some young niggas. In it. What? Who's shooting? Nah, play back. Cause bro, 3 niggas hopped out. First, I guess they already knew he was sin or whatever. They all got glickers on them, obviously. This in Dallas. Damn! That big ass truck ain't do no damage. They Ford cop car is done though. Like no cap, no kid. This happened a couple days ago. This happened like 6 days ago. No way, Sway. They shooting at the cops though? Ain't no way they shooting at the cops, bro. I just heard 4 or 5 shots. They stopped running, they gonna start running again? Like what? Where the body cam footage, bro? Another police cruiser just pulled up. Boom! Boom! Oh, that was a low ass Charger, that's why. I think that was the Ford shit. That shit crushed that Charger. Big ass pickup truck. All them niggas hop out game. Oh. Bro, body on the floor. Wait, hold on. Bro laid on the floor and stayed there. Nah, Pete bro. Hop out, laid on the floor. He was scared. He probably thought his life was over type shit. The other nigga hopped over and started running. Look, another car right there, nigga. You missed him. Where all these pickup trucks come from, bro? That's that Texas shit, though. They love them pickup trucks. Who started blicking, gang? That's what I'm trying to find. Who really just started blicking niggas? So they stole a car, and they already knew where the car was located at, I guess.
I said falling behind him, Tyler. He can't hit the go in reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him Keep on coming.
555, that's crazy. I gotta skip because they... Ah, shit. Fuck. God damn it. Come on, Billy. Ugly ass. Oh, my son fell. Trying to hop out. Oh, he's shooting at him. That's the cop shooting. I thought it. They were shooting. So all they can say is gun. They scared of that gun.
He's running down! He's gonna be running west through the complex, heading towards the David Busters.
They all split up too, bro.
He dropped his gun over here by the building.
They caught some of them. Let's see though, fool. He hop out at your party. I want the game. He gonna drop his blicker. He's a dweeb, bro. How you drop your blick? Where he at?
Sir, look out on the
He hiding in somebody fucking balcony, bro? What is he doing, bro?
Don't you fucking move!
Oh, no, he not.
Or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You fucking flinch, I'll put a hole in you, motherfucker!
Bro, the cops already got him. How you gonna tell him he gonna put a hole in him if he already on the floor? Like, that's what I be talking about when the cops be doing too much sometimes.
You fucking hit.
Niggas think they got power, manpower and shit. Like, come on, bro. That niggas is lame. Go get a real job. Not hard to become a cop, bro.
It's up. She fucking. What's your name?
Go get some fucking motion. Hating ass niggas, boy. That was weed? What the fuck was that? They're like crack or some shit. I don't know what that is. Damn.
God damn it!
Bro had his gun out before she even happened. Had a big ass scope on that shit to hit nothing. You got a big ass scope. Oh, he fell. Dumbass white cop. He's got a gun. He got a gun. Oh, that was him shooting. Bro, that's crazy. How you gonna shoot at bro and bro running? That's OD. You gotta get some suspension for that. Something. Bro wasn't even shooting or aiming at him. He just wanted to test out his scope. I could tell. He just got that gun. Ugly ass nigga.
Fuck.
He just want to test out his gun type
You
shit.
guys okay?
This big ass.
Oh fuck, dude. There's on top. He's on top of him.
Oh, he started shooting through the glass of the cop car. He liked that. He's fucking like that. What if he would have hit his mans? Then what?
Shots fired.
Nigga, you shots fired, you dweeb.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stay on the fucking ground. Don't
Bro knew to stay right there.
I don't go with Kevin now. He's got the shooter. No. Don't fucking move.
Why the fuck did he stay on the ground when he fell out the car though? I was never staying on the ground. I was trying to get up out of this, man. They overly riding in pickup trucks, even in the cops. That's low key.
Got one more. Hang on.
That's a Texas thing, though.
Get the fuck around. I'm not gonna beat us. You're the fucking word. You're the fucking man.
He do got that one glove on. He definitely the shooter. They already know what it is. That's this big ass AR on him. Wait, what happened?
Who shot at us? I don't know if the arms got shot.
I don't think that those people was. I don't even think those suspects were shooting. I think it was just a cop shooting at each other. Fucking dickheads, bro. Literally. Let me see what the shit say. Like I said, the only problem I see is everybody's still alive. People be preying on people's downfall. So it was basically just a stolen vehicle. They was parked up. People saw it. You think it was 19, 17, 21. You think it's jits, gang. You got the hammers, got big trucks, like. They had a switch on their shit. Oh yeah, they going down for a minute. They sitting down. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, one of the cops started shooting at them first, bro, because they wasn't even shooting. They was running. You gotta really sometimes read this shit to understand the breakdown. Only like 2 of them got charged with a gun. The rest of them ain't even get charged with none. That shit was in minor shit. They didn't really get charged with nothing crazy. Only like the driver, I think, really, because he had the click on him. 2 of them had clickers on him for sure, but that was a crazy ass reaction because why they just drove into the cop car and think they were just gonna get up out of there, shorty? No, it don't work like that. But check out the last couple of vlogs, for back to back. I ain't Drake though, fool. Dropped like 7 vlogs back to back. Took your girl out type shit, flew out type beat, helicopter ride type beat. Feel me? Dinner type beat, black truck type beat. Check out the vlog channel. That's the main channel. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Check out the 2 podcasts. 2. Just posted on both. And follow me on the gram, fool. We got motion. We get money. WG and Quan. I'm out.